What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with another hair review. This hair is from Hurela Hair. It's a 12-inch bob, and your girl just went ahead and put some really cute waves in it. I was going for like a messy look, so yeah, I think I got the little cute messy wave look down. If y'all are interested to see how I got this hair looking like this, just keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so we jumping straight into it. That was the box. This is the wig. This is a water wave wig, and as y'all can see, it's a 4x4 lace closure. I'm just showing y'all what the wig looked like and what came inside of my package, and also what I'm going to be putting on my cap. Since this is a closure wig, I did not do a ball cap method. I'm just literally going right in with the makeup on top of this cap and just blending that out all over, just in the middle where the closure will be. And now I'm going ahead and putting the wig on. Now, I did over bleach the knots on this wig, y'all. I was in the process of bleaching 2 wigs at the same time, and I ended up leaving this bleach on this wig way too long. Y'all gonna see me fix that later. But yeah, this is, like I said, a water wave unit, a 4x4 lace closure, and the density on this wig is 150. I will have all of the information down below in the description box for y'all, so y'all can check it out and go shop with them if y'all end up liking this video and liking the unit. But now I'm just going in with my wax stick, and I'm going to be going on my hot comb as well, just to flatten out the top of this wig, because all I did was bleach the knots and let it air dry. So yeah, I'm going in with some customization, and I think I plucked this wig a little bit as well. So y'all just see me hot combing it out. I'm kind of just doing this before I get ready to lay it down, just so a little bit of the work is already done for me. But yeah, as y'all can see, I definitely over bleached the wig, but like I said, I'll fix it. I'm going in with some alcohol just to clean the extra makeup that got on my skin off. And I'm also going to be going in and cutting off those little pieces that y'all see on the closure. I feel like to get like a better lay on a closure install, that you should just cut those little things on the ends off. Yeah, so that's like my little tip. I'm going in with my boho. I'm only using 1 layer of this. Y'all did see me also use my boho skin protectant spray as well. So yeah, I'm only going in with 1 layer because I didn't plan to keep this wig on long at all, because I do have another wig that I want to install. So yeah, I'm going to just be spreading out this 1 layer with my popsicle stick. I'm going to be blow drying that. I'm sorry, y'all, for my notifications going off on my phone. So yeah, I'm just basically about to just lay that down. This install was so easy. When you're working with a lace closure, that's about as easy as it gets with lace, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm doing a back comb motion with this little rat tail comb just to make sure I'm getting a lace in that glue. And then I'm going to be blow drying some more, because honestly, y'all, I do not let my glue dry clear. Sometimes I let it dry mostly and then I lay it down. I don't know, I be feeling like sometimes when it's clear it's like too dry, so whatever. Now I'm just going ahead and hot combing some more, and I'm gonna be going in with that same makeup in the part just to tone that orange brassiness down. I did go in with some Shimmer Light shampoo, but because I over bleached the knots on this wig, I feel like it just really don't even matter. So it came out looking very much orangey and over bleach. So yeah, I'm just going in with the hot comb just to hot comb on the top once again. Y'all gonna see me hot comb this wig a lot because I wanted it really flat at the top. Now I'm going in with my Chi iron guard. This is like a heat protecting spray, and I'm just going in and spraying the hair with this. It smells so good, y'all. And y'all, honestly, if I would have known that this was a water wave unit, I probably just would have wet it, to be honest, just to show y'all how it would look in its natural state. That heat protecting spray was a little bit water based, so it kind of like made the hair curl up a little bit. But yeah, if I would have known, child, I probably would have just, I don't know, wet the hair, maybe put some mousse in it. But I still like the look that I was going for with the whole short bob and the little like messy waves, effortless look. I really did like that. So yeah, now y'all just see me going in with my mini Babyless flat iron, and I'm just gonna be literally putting some flat iron curls in this hair. And that's literally it. It's gonna be super easy. I seen a post on Facebook talking about some I hate you if you can do flat iron curls, and I'm like, they not that hard once you get the hang of it. But Yeah, I'm just gonna be using my flat iron to do these little curls in this bob wig. And I did choose to use, like I said, my mini one because the hair is short. It's a bob and 12 inches. So yeah, y'all can basically just watch what I'm doing here. I'm literally just gonna be running a flat iron through the hair and putting some little curls in the hair. So I did go ahead and do the other side off camera, and now I'm just playing with the hair a little bit, trying to get it to my liking. I'm also gonna be like cutting some layers onto this hair just to give it, you know, a little of some extra. I like doing that when I curl hair. It just makes the curls look better when they are layered, when the hair is layered at least. So yeah, now I'm taking the elastic band off. I'm gonna be going in with this little high beam spray. I got this off Amazon. I'll link it below. But to be honest, I need a darker shade, y'all, because this brown is kind of too light. But y'all will see how I kind of like blend it in. But I'm basically just using this spray as if it was like a dye or something like that, just to fill in those over bleached areas on my unit. And I'm also gonna be cleaning up the part with it as well. So yeah, y'all just see me parting, making the part straighter so I can use this spray in the center. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and my brush, because y'all can see like it's actually really brown. But I just be trying to blend it in, use my hot comb to like melt it into the hair so that it's not as noticeable. But yeah, I need to invest in like a darker shade because I really, really like that spray for cleaning up the part and just any areas that got over bleached. So now y'all just see me cutting the lace off with a razor, and I just cut it in half, and I'm just cutting the lace off in a downward motion. Super easy and simple because it's a closure unit, ain't much lace. I'm going to be going in with a little bit more makeup to conceal the edges, and now I'm going to be pulling out some hairs from my baby hairs. I only did one on each side, and I use Gorilla Snot for that. So yeah, y'all just see me curling them, you know, doing the same old that I always do. To lay the baby hair, just curling them upward and going in with whether it's Gorilla Snot, got to be glued, something just to lay them down. All right, y'all just let me use my elastic band just to lay it flat a little bit. And y'all, that's basically the finished look. After I did the little edges on his hair, this closure unit was done. y'all can kind of see the vibe that I was going for. It's giving like a beach wave, effortless little bob. Like, I really liked how it turned out. Super cute. It looked real natural and just effortless. Like, this was the look. Your girl beat her face off camera. So yeah, thank you so much, Hurela Hair, for sponsoring this video. I forgot to say that in the beginning, that this is a sponsored video. They did send me this unit, but all opinions, of course, are always my own. This hair was super soft. I definitely do recommend it. I didn't have any problems with it whatsoever. The lace was good. Like, everything really was like a 10 out of 10. I'm just the one who over bleached the unit. So yeah. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.